When do you plan to start pursuing your dreams? Will it be tomorrow or the day after? Do you think you'll have time later in life? Or maybe you'll just put it off till you retire? Why not start now? What's holding you back? Is it time, money, or the fear of the unknown? What are the goals that you've set out for yourself? Are you going to make them happen, or are you going to sit idly and let them pass you by?
Just hiked to the top of the Klingman's Dome hike from the valley to the top, which is the highest point in the Smokies. We have 0.5 miles to the car, and then we go look at the lookout.
We've all heard the saying, find a job you enjoy doing and you'll never have to work a day in your life. And this is true with all aspects of our time. If you know the goals that you have for yourself, and you can envision the future life that you want, all it takes is a leap of faith. There's nobody holding you back, and nobody stopping you, except for yourself.
I look like a spaceman. Shout out to my mother for getting me this awesome frog tog. Super lightweight.
Shout out to Brush for giving me this really hot rain jacket. It's keeping me warm from the rain.
The truth is, it's a long way to the top, but it's worth the hike.
Oh, I blinded myself. I don't know if you can see me or the trees. It's crazy up here.
Recently, I went backpacking in the Smoky Mountains. It's one of my life goals to visit every national park, and I'm slowly ticking that off one by one. Backpacking through the wilderness is not the coziest way to take a vacation, but in my opinion, it's one of the best ways to develop a deeper connection between you and the earth, as well as develop a deeper connection with yourself. It takes a lot of discipline and willpower to carry 35 pounds on your back and hike up a mountain for days on end. That's what builds character and allows you to prove to yourself that you can accomplish the goals you set out for yourself. It's a cliche metaphor, but it's true. Life is like a hike. It's long, winding, confusing, and you're tired most of the time, but you're striving for something in the end. Whether that be an awesome view at the top of a climb or a metaphorical mountaintop in your life, you're capable of whatever it is you set out for yourself. You're stronger than you know, and I want to encourage you to take that first step.